Hi, my name is Dana Myers and I'm the industry specialist for corrosive and harsh environments. HOFFMAN has a variety of cooling solutions available with varying levels of protection. We offer both closed and open loop cooling systems depending on what your application needs. Today we'll be discussing a few key elements for your traditional evap and condensing cooling system, such as our SpectrCool line. One example I can share with you that I've experienced out in the field is a wastewater treatment plant located in the southwest US. They were experiencing some severe corrosion challenges from the hydrogen sulfide in the environment. It was pinholing the copper, causing fluid leaks out of the bottom. The air conditioners weren't able to run a full cycle, leading to failure after about 3 months of use. We were able to coat the copper in the solder joints on the coils, coat the copper tubing, and wrap the thermostat like we can do for corrosive applications, getting them over a year out of that same application cooling system. Let me show you how we were able to do this. As this type of corrosion starts to happen to the coils, as we call them, on the air conditioning unit, you'll begin to see either a white buildup based on chlorine corrosion that you would see in a saltwater environment, or it can be a black buildup that comes from sulfur-based corrosion. A lot of times you'll see that in wastewater treatment plants, automotive industry, anything of that nature that has sulfur in the environment, you might start to see this type of corrosion. Another key thing to protect here, on the inside of your traditional evap and condensing air conditioner, is all the copper tubing that connects and holds all of the thermal fluid inside. That copper tubing also has solder joints on it, so it's important to coat the coils, but it's also important to coat the copper lines as well as the solder joints. If not properly coated, this is where you'll start to see those fluid leaks coming from the pinhole corrosion in the copper. An option that's exclusive to HOFFMAN is our remote access control capability that comes on some of our SpectrCool series. Remote access control allows for remote monitoring, proactive maintenance, and overall peace of mind. The last couple important things we want to make sure to cover is talking through the sensing bulb and the thermostat. As the gases attack the solder joints on the sensing bulb itself, that'll start to pinhole, and that can be one of the sources of the fluid leaks that you'll start to see on the air conditioning unit. Another problem spot can be what we call the bellows inside the thermostat. There's fluid inside of there that expands with temperature, and that's what helps to trigger the cooling cycle to start. As that corrodes and stiffens, it keeps the bellows from expanding and starting the cycle. That's why sometimes the cooling cycle won't begin like it should based on the temperature reading inside the enclosure. One of the extra layers of protection that HOFFMAN has available is what we call a wrap that goes around the thermostat itself. Helps prevent the corrosive gases from getting inside there to cause the issues with the bellows like we've discussed. There are a number of tools and resources available online to help you choose the right thermal management solution for your application. For additional questions, contact your local HOFFMAN representative.